So I got the package, my PCM. As you guys know, my car has this problem with stalling. The irony of it is, ever since I switched to the throttle body, that was my last video, the car stalled the next day as I was going to work, twice I think. And ever since then, it's been a week now. Ever since then, it hasn't stalled on me. So, but the next day when it stalled, I ordered the PCM because I'm like, well, the throttle body didn't fix it. So now I have it, so I might as well just switch it out. They say it comes pre-programmed. We're gonna find out. Let's see how it comes. I'll put the link in the description of where I got this. Here we go. There it is. It's all dusty in here. Where are you guys? It's dusty right here. I think these are just used PCMs. It says warranty void. They told me I have to send my old PCM back to them. Prior to installing the new replacement computer mod. So let's see the checklist for installing the new module. Do not have the key in the ignition. Check. Disconnect the battery terminal first. Negative battery. Okay, I'll do that right now. Disconnect the battery terminal second. Oh, the positive. Okay, so I gotta remove both. Very important. Leave disconnected for at least 30 minutes. Clean all the battery terminals. Must be clear of any corrosion and buildup. Installing Pcm and Ecm Tcm. After 30 minutes has passed, connect all the terminals to the Pcm Tcm. First reconnect positive battery, then second connect the negative, then start your car or truck. Okay, so I guess I gotta... Okay. So I don't have my normal tools. I forgot them at work. Now it's getting kind of hard to... Okay, I got one. I gotta remove the positive. Oh wait, I should put a timer now. Set a timer for 30 minutes.
Okay, 30 minutes and counting.
There we go. Alright. So the battery's disconnected. So at the moment, I'm just waiting for 30 minutes to go by. Let's check how much it is. What's the timer say? 17 minutes to go. And I'm just reading over the paper. So they want you to send, I don't know if you guys can pause the screen. This is what it comes with. It says you have to send your old PCM back within 7 days, or you can get charged these core fee pricing according to what you ordered. I don't know, is how much the PCM cost me. Things pretty much checked out. This problem I've had even before I switched this engine out, so it's an old problem. The PCM is going to be right here. See if I can bring you guys closer. I grabbed this. It's really easy to pop these little bad boys here. You gotta go under. You can do it with a flat head, it's fine. You pop them up like that, and then they just come off. There's another one right here. Right here. Pop that one out. Same way. Pop the top, and it comes off, and then this plastic thing just comes off like that. Then you got a bigger bolt here, so let me find something to pull it out. I know one of these works. Oh, perfect. I'm just gonna pull it out. I'm not gonna remove it or unplug them because it says wait 30 minutes before you unplug. It's just one bolt. And there we go. There's your PCM. So it's 3. Not really sure how to remove them yet. Oh, okay, so you just pop these up. These red little tabs pop up. Then you unplug them. But what's the timer say? 13 minutes to go. So I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna unplug anything. I'm just gonna let it rest here. So they send you, like I showed you guys earlier, that they want you to wrap your PCM, your old PCM, in this bubble wrap, and then tape it up and then put the label on top and then mail it back within 7 days. Okay, so we got a minute to go. Timer. Oh shit, there it is. Okay, so we got 2 more bolts I didn't mention. I think I did, I don't know. These 2 bolts. So 40 seconds, I'm just gonna take these bolts off just to remove the harness. There we go. They're on pretty tight because this computer, you have to have it on secured where it's not moving around or bouncing around in here, because even with turbulence it can start to mess up. So you gotta make sure it's well tightened up. Okay, 1 bolt. Don't want to lose these. Timer. And there it is. 30 minutes. So now we can go ahead with the removal and installation. Okay. So there that goes. Now I think I just press. So you lift these red tabs up to unlock it, and you press this metal one, and then you just pull up. So that's the first one. There's the second one. And third. Here's the PCM. So here's a new one. It's got nothing, no serial number. Oh, fuck. Oh shit, now I gotta go back to the video. I think this one was this one. I gotta pause you guys. I gotta go rewatch the video. I don't know if these 2 flipped on me. Okay, lucky for me, I was recording, so I was able to watch. These did flip on me. So this orange one goes in the middle. Make sure they're nice and all the way down. Put the safety back on there, the locks. Okay. Then I gotta put this harness back on. Gotta make sure it's nice and tight so it's not moving around. Okay. Once again, make sure it's snug. Slide it back in. Okay. Now grab your bolt. Tighten it back up. Make sure this one's really tight too. This is the main the main one. Okay, that should be it. I'm not gonna put the plastic back in until I make sure it works. Okay, so after at least 30 minutes, install the PCM after 30 minutes has passed. Connect all terminals to the Pcm and Tcm. And then first reconnect the positive battery and then the negative battery. And then start your car/truck. Okay, so first positive. Reconnect that. Then do your negative afterwards. Make sure it's tight. All right, moment of truth. Let's go start the car. No lights. Oh, hell yeah, dude. Damn it, I gotta redo my stereo again.
Here in that community reached.
Shut up, guy. Oh my god, it worked. So the pre-programmed... My uncle was telling me that when you switch out the PCMs, you still have to get your key programmed with the new PCM. But I had given them a call and they told me that you don't need your key program, that everything's all good. Plug and play. So now I guess that's it. That's how you switch your PCM. Freaking awesome. So all you have to do is get your, I don't know what these are called, these plug pop on screws, I don't know. Put it in and then just pop it down and it locks. Plug it in, pop it down, there you go. You're all good. And if the problem goes away, if the car doesn't stall anymore, then this is it. This is check your throttle body, check your crankshaft sensor, and lastly, you know, if your car still stalls, try your PCM. I'll put the link in the bio for the company I used for this PCM. And if it does stall on me, then I'll let you guys know in the description box as well. I'll make sure to update you guys, so check that out. So for now, I mean, it runs. All right, catch you guys on the next one.